In the quest to get beautiful silky hair, we stuff ourselves with multiple products and treatments. What we don't realize is that it doesn't always have to be this complicated. Coming to your rescue, we bring to you the simplest route to attain thick long hair right at home and without damaging your pockets. Want to see a change in your hair? Then be the change. Washing your hair after every workout session and using heat tools at a high temperature are common mistakes we all make. While the former will leave your hair dull and dry, the latter will cause irreversible damage. Instead, use a dry shampoo before you work out so your hair won't sweat as much and you won't have to wash it as often. If you do choose to blow dry your hair, remember to always go in with a heat protectant and then go in with the cool setting at the end of your blow dry. This will close the cuticles of your roots and restore the shine in your hair. Haircuts are an essential part of hair health, without which even healthy strands look brittle, dry and frizzy. So if you can't access a parlor right away, here is an easy way to get rid of the dead ends. Take a 1-inch strand of your hair and twist it. The old, dead hair will stick out easily, so you can use a scissor to get rid of them. Try this at home for fresh looking hair. There are plenty of professionals who can improve the quality of your hair, but it comes with a heavy price. Thankfully, there are enough natural ways we can go about this as well. Twice a week, apply a carrier oil like almond oil with a few drops of essential oil like bergamot that will help revive the hair bulbs and encourage healthy hair growth. A natural way of binding the hair with keratin for a protective layer is to add gelatin to your regular shampoo so you won't have to pay those hefty amounts for numerous spas and products. Not just you, but even your hair is what you eat. So if you're hogging onto junk, it's time to switch your diet up. Hair loss can be a result of biotin deficiency, which is when eggs come to your rescue. They are easily available and a quick source of biotin as well as protein that strengthen your hair follicles. Another savior that will give you visible results is spinach. It is loaded with nutrients like folate, iron, and vitamin A and C, all of which are responsible for healthy hair growth. Berries are the best hair yum foods as they are loaded with beneficial compounds such as vitamin C that is used to produce collagen, which in turn strengthens the hair and keeps breakage at bay. Treat yourself to a quick and scrumptious smoothie by adding half a cup of milk, half a cup of yogurt, a drizzle of vanilla powder, and some blueberries or any other berries that you have available. This hair strengthening smoothie will keep your taste buds happy and your strands even happier. While stress is bad by itself, what it brings along is hormonal imbalance that depletes the hair health and causes hair fall. Thankfully, there are multiple yoga asanas you can turn to for help. Here's a quick stress-free yoga exercise you can do at home. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Breathe into the belly and then exhale. Put your thumb on the nose, ring finger on your nostrils, and alternate the two as you inhale and exhale. Repeat this 4 to 7 times and do this daily to relax and control stress. The downward facing dog yoga pose is excellent as it allows blood flow to your scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. Extend your hands and fingers forward and push yourself all the way up so your face is in a downward direction. Now straighten your legs and bring the heels to the floor. Start with 5 breaths and then rest till you can take it up to 10. Do this daily for happy and healthy hair. We hope you realize that long, thick and healthy hair requires a lot more than parlor appointments and a lot of change in your everyday habits. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.